Hi everyone, I'm Sharon from Fix. Today we are looking at SP-Corp6, our patrol USB with a side-scan sonar system. Let me show you how to install it and get it running. Let's go. Open the moon pool top cover. Lift the forward cabin top cover. Roll the bolt sideways, so the button faces an easy access direction. Install the probe at the decided button position with mounting screws. After the probe is flush with the button, tighten the bracket screws with an M5 head wrench. Route the probe cable out through the moon pool button, then place foam padding and the probe. Return the bolt to its upright position. Route the probe cable through the moon pool and secure it in forward cabin. Tug gently to ensure it does not move. Coil the port cable and secure it with cable ties. Connect the port cable to power cable connector. Unlock the notch, insert and tighten. Connect the bare end of power cable to the 12-volt regulated supply. Black wire to the black terminal, red wire to the yellow terminal. Open the rear hatch of cabin cover. Connect the DB9 end of the USB to DB9 cable to the RS232 RTK port. Route the USB end of the USB to DB9 cable through the hole to forward cabin. Connect the other end of the regulated supply to the power cable. Plug the RJ45 Ethernet cable into the industrial PC's Ethernet port. Plug the USB end of the USB to DB9 cable into the IPC's USB port. Plug the 24-volt power cable into the IPC's power port. Arrange the equipment. Then secure the IPC in the forward cabin with black tape. Close the forward cabin cover and tighten the screws. Close the rear hatch of cabin cover and tighten the screws. After securing the mid-section cables, close the moon pool cover and tighten the screws.